For what value of m the two vectors a vector and b vector are collinear? Okay, let us begin. Now it's given here that since the vectors a and b are collinear vectors, then there's a relationship that exists between a and b. It is given by a vector equals to some scalar lambda times the vector b. Right? Lambda is some scalar. Now let's use the value of the vectors. So a vector is given by 2I cap minus 3j cap. This is going to be equals to lambda times b vector. So that's negative 6I cap plus m times j cap. Now we have 2I cap minus 3j cap equals to negative 6 lambda I cap plus m lambda j cap. Fine. This implies that we have 2 plus 6 lambda I cap. All we have done is transpose the two components from the right hand side to the left hand side and combined all the like terms. Plus we have negative 3 minus m lambda j cap. This is going to be equals to 0. But we know for a fact that I cap and j cap are non-collinear. So if they are non-collinear, because they are orthogonal to each other, now also this has to be a vector, because on the left hand side we are operating with vectors, on the right hand side there should be a vector as well. Now since I cap and j cap are non-collinear, so this particular equation, it's going to be true only when 2 plus 6 lambda, that's equals to 0, and simultaneously negative 3 minus m lambda, so that's equals to 0 as well. Now when we solve for lambda, so lambda comes out to be equals to negative 1/3. So we'll use this value to find out the value of m. So we have negative 3 minus m multiplied to negative 1/3. So that's equals to 0. We have negative 3 plus m over 3 equals to 0. So m comes out to be equals to 9. So this is going to be the value of m such that the vectors a and b are collinear.